Hey friends, welcome back to another Tech Tips. In the last videos, we built the Toy Exchange app, and got the basic flow working. Today, we're going to level it up with some really cool enhancements. Ratings after an exchange is completed, clear color statuses for toys. Multiple photos with a cover image, and an automation to automatically expire old reservations. Let's walk through each step together. First, we need to set up two new tables. The first one is called ExchangeFeedback. This table will store ratings after an exchange is completed. So, for example, once I give away my toy and the exchange is done, the requester can rate me, and that rating will show up on my profile. The second one is ToyPhoto. Instead of just one image, parents can upload several. One of those can be marked as the cover photo, which will show up in the listings. Next, let's update the toy profile. We don't need that single image column anymore, so we'll remove it. We'll add a new column called ReservedAt, so the app knows when a toy was reserved. Then we'll add a new virtual column called CoverPhoto, which always shows the toy's main image. And we'll add another column called Toys Photo Read Only. This one is for the requester side. It means requesters can see toy photos but they can't edit them. To make this work, we'll also create a slice called ToyPhotos read-only list, which will display those photos in read-only mode. Okay, now let's make user profiles more useful. We'll add 3 new virtual columns. AvgRating to calculate the average score. RatingCount to show how many times this person has been rated. And AvgRating star, which displays the stars in a nice format. So now, when you look at someone's profile, you'll see both their average rating and how many exchanges they've completed. Now, let's make the exchange log more powerful with actions. We'll add an expired action, so we can manually mark an exchange as expired if needed. We'll also add a leave rating action. Once an exchange is marked as completed, the requester will see this action and can open a form to rate the toy owner. And to make this easy to find, we'll add that leave rating action to the My Requesting Toy list slice. That way, requesters can go back to their list and leave ratings quickly. Over in the toy profile, we'll add a few actions too. An available action, which resets a toy back to available. A set exchange log as expired action, which expires all pending or approved requests for that toy in one go. And finally, an edit reserved action, which lets the owner quickly edit the details of a reserved toy. Here's a nice visual touch: format rules. Now, toys that are available will show in green. Toys that are reserved will show in orange. And toys that are exchanged will show in gray. This makes it so much easier for users to understand the status of each toy at a glance. Since we now have a cover photo, we'll update all the toy lists to use it. That means the Available Toys view and the My Toy List view. Will both show the cover photo instead of the old single image column. Next, we'll create a new form called Leave Rating. This form comes from the ExchangeFeedback table. And it only shows up when an exchange has been completed. This way, requesters can easily give feedback right after they finish a toy exchange. And finally, we'll add an automation bot. This one runs every day, and looks for toys that have been reserved for too long. If it finds any, it resets them back to available, and marks their exchange logs as expired. This keeps the marketplace fresh and avoids toys getting stuck in limbo. That's all for this enhancement build. It's simple, it's practical, and it makes the app much more community friendly. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe. And let me know in the comments what feature you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.